Hey guys, welcome back to our Garage Auto Detail, where we've got another product showcase for you. It is another product from McKee's 37. It is the Tire and Rubber Rejuvenator. I'm going to show you this dirty rubber. I'm going to show you how this baby works. It's actually kind of amazing. Alright guys, thanks for sticking around. Again, this is the McKee's 37 Tire and Rubber Rejuvenator. And this baby, we're just going to spray liberally on the rubber. Please don't inhale. Alright, and this one, excuse me. Now this guy is going to, first of all, you're going to need to apply it on a cool tire. It's going to dwell for 30 seconds. Then you're going to take your tire brush. You're going to make sure it's wet. It's got to be wet. And then watch that brown come off. I like to knock out the goop. And you can see, if you look closely, you can see that the foam is getting a little bit whiter. So it still has the cleaning properties. Knock it out, get it wet, rinse it, and go at it again. I'm going to do this 2 or 3 times until the foam appears white. If you need to, depending on how dirty the rubber is, you're gonna possibly have to rinse it and reapply. But if you keep the brush wet, it reactivates the suds. And I haven't cleaned the wheel just yet. You can see the foaming wheel gel in another video that's up in the card. Should be right up there. Now let me give this a quick rinse. And you can see the owner has some previous sealant, I don't know, hot tire shine or whatever you want to call it on there. So, let it sit for 30 seconds. Kind of like this tire brush. As you can see, it's concave. It kind of goes around the tire. I have another low profile tire brush from McKee's that I haven't really tried just yet, so we might see that on another episode. Now you can see much lighter. Still has a brown haze, right? So we're still cleaning. Knock it out. Rinse it. Go at it again. One more shot here. You see that suds is pretty white. Oh, sun's coming out and I'm in all black. Yeah. And then we are going to treat it with some tire gel at the end, but let's take a look. It's not hazy and brown. Looks pretty good. All right, guys, again, this has been McKee's Tire and Rubber Rejuvenator. You've seen it work. Looking for it? You'll find it in the link below, down in the description. It's good stuff. I love it. The best part about it is you can actually see it work. You know when you're done. You don't have to keep going at it. So, all right, guys, until the next one, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, stay safe.